What's up? It's Curtis Adams, and right now, we're going to do a little experiment. Ever since the very day we were born, our lives are unwillfully governed by a force, a law that cannot be controlled. Do you know what that is? It's time. And today, instead of time controlling us, I want us to try and control time. To do that, you're going to want to grab a pen and paper. If you don't have one already, go ahead and press pause before we continue. Got your pen and paper? Good. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead and take your pen and draw a large circle, almost the size of the entire piece of paper. Go ahead and do that now. Awesome. Good big circle. Now, inside the circle, we need to draw the face of a clock, starting with the numbers 12 on the very top. Go ahead and draw your 12. To the right of the 12, draw a 1. To the right of the 1, go ahead and draw your 2. And continue all the way around the circle till we have a complete clock. Go ahead, take your time, and hurry up. Time's up. You should have a clock by now. Okay, good. The first thing I need you to do is hold up your index finger. I want you to take that index finger and place it right on the 12, all right? This is where all time begins and ends. It's the witching hour, and that's where we're gonna start. Now, take a look at all the numbers on the clock. Something time doesn't give us is free will. But today, in our world, there are no rules or restrictions. So I want you to randomly select any one of the 12 numbers. Pick it now. Now I want you to go ahead and start saying it over and over in your head. Got it? Good. With your finger on the number 12, I want you to spell out the number you're concentrating on, moving your finger one number for each letter in a clockwise direction, okay? For example, if you pick the number 2, okay? You would take your finger on the number 12 and you'd spell it out, moving your finger one number for T, one number for W, and one number for O, moving a total of 3 times in a clockwise direction, landing on the 3. Get it? All right, cool. Go ahead, take your secret number, make your move, do it now. Cool. Once you've completed your move, make sure you keep your finger on the number you landed on. This is gonna be your new number. Now, I'm getting a feeling here. Check this out. I can tell you're not on the numbers 11 or 7, so grab your pen. I want you to go ahead and I want you to cross out with a big X the numbers 11 to 7, okay? These numbers are now eliminated, therefore you can't count them and you gotta jump over them. Good. There's also one more number. You're not on the 12, so go ahead and cross the 12 out as well. Good. Now, with your finger on the new number, I want you to spell out that new number your finger is on, moving your finger one number for each letter in a clockwise direction, making sure you jump over any of the crossed out numbers. Go ahead, spell out your new number, do it now. Okay, once you've completed the remove, make sure you keep your finger on that new number. Now, there's no possible way to know where your finger's at, but I do know something. I know your finger's not on the number 8. So go ahead, grab that pen one more time. I want you to cross out the number 8. Good. You're also not on the numbers 3 or 4, so go ahead and cross the 3 and the 4 off. One more number. What is that? You're not on the number 1. So go ahead and cross off the number 1 at this time. Okay, one final time. We're gonna repeat the steps that we did twice before. With your finger on this new number, I want you to take that number, we're gonna spell it out, moving your finger one number for each letter in a clockwise direction. Go ahead, make your final move, do it now. Okay, once you've completed your move, make sure you keep your finger right where it's at. This is your last number, okay? Remember, ever since the very beginning, even down to the moment that you decided to watch this video, you have been in complete control. You had a random selection. You could have selected any one of the 12 numbers. And if you would have chose something different, it would have changed the entire outcome of this entire experiment. But although we are in two totally different places, I'm gonna try to connect to you through space and time to reveal the number that you're thinking of right now. That same number your finger is on. So, I want you to start saying that number over and over in your head. Go ahead. Start saying it over and over. You're on 6. The question is, you guys, did we control time, or did time once again control us? I'm Curtis Adams. I'll see you next time.